was about to start cussing you.
What are you cussing me for?
Because why you leave your phone? What did I tell you about leaving your phone? Never leave your phone with me by myself. Like, you don't do that.
No, Starbucks is the opposite direction.
Like
I know I seen Starbucks, but it was in the complete opposite direction. So
this guy is so annoying. Like
I went to get your tea for you.
I know I'm feeling sick, but babes.
So how you feeling now?
I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling fabulous. Now that my husband's here, he almost made us miss our flight.
Stop telling lies. Listen, that's a lie, okay?
Types of electronic devices, especially your cell phone, flight mode until our arrival into Cancun.
Touchdown in Mexico. So right now we're by the carousel and Sarita got her luggage. I'm still waiting for mine.
Papa's still waiting for his.
I know maybe it has a Jamaican flag on it, why it's taking so long.
Oh gosh.
So we finally got to our bus. How do you feel?
My nose is running.
I'm trying to be like happy at the same time, you know?
My friend, just go to check on it, please. We take care about your luggage, no problem. Okay?
Alright, go ahead. Hi. Thank you. What is it? What kind of juice is this?
Born, I don't know.
You don't know? Tastes like orange juice, but it's not orange juice.
It's orange and pineapple.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
De allá donde ve lo azul se va al lado derecho.
So, we have a little issue.
Okay.
Well, it's a big issue.
Okay.
So when we went online booking, we chose the Denmark.
Okay,
But-
Panama,
Yeah, but then for some strange
For
reason,
some strange reason,
You
when
want
It's-
this one?
yes,
And you want to be in the Dunamar?
yeah,
that's what we selected because we did the research, we looked at it,
we
but
did research for like months for the Denmark.
Okay.
And
I don't uncheck it. I don't. Wow, it's beautiful out here.
so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to take pictures.
Guys, we made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. How you feel, baby? How you feeling?
I feel good. I'm excited. It's beautiful.
It's hot.
Color. It's hot. Look at the sun.
Like one thing I must say about this resort, there's a plenty of colors.
You can't be drunk walking around here, eh?
I know, yeah. It's dropping through that water.
So yeah guys, so unfortunately our room wasn't ready. There was a whole big mix up when it comes to the hotel rooms. Had to just wait for a room to be ready around 3 o'clock. So she suggested we go upstairs into a complimentary washroom to get changed into our bathing suits, which we did. We went to the beach. Here you see us, walking. You see Mr. Man walking out of the water. And after that we decided to get something to eat some food, and by the time we finished eating, it was ready to go back to our room. And as you can see guys, here's our room. We were so excited.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my room. In paradise. It's so beautiful. Honestly, I am so happy with this room. This room honestly reminds me of the Royalton in Jamaica, because you have your separate shower which is over here. Same type of doors, but this one has like a waterfall kind of shower head and also a handheld shower head. So this is really good. Nice and spacious. You can put your shower gels, your shampoos, your conditioners, whatever you guys may have. Okay. Then you have your 2 sinks. Hubby and I, we like our separate sinks, you know, because he always makes a mess in his. And
Tell the truth. What are you talking about?
So he has his side. I have my side. My side is over here. Chose it. It is what it is. So that's his side, and yeah. And we have a tub as well. The Royalton, they have their tub right beside the bed as well. But I'm sorry, I'm gonna put the Royalton on blast. Their water was cold. The whole week was cold. Okay, we had to do like, you know, like ready to like get into like a jump rope session to get into that cold water to like prepare ourselves. Okay, but I checked the water. It is mighty hot. And look how the water comes out. Very cool. And it's like hot, 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 hot. So pretty excited about that. Also, we have these little, I guess they only have it on one side. Some sort of a picture frame with
Artwork.
Artwork, okay. It's artwork with reflectors, so that you can see yourself inside of it. So I guess this is a little lamp. Yep.
Reading light.
Reading lights. You get to see whatever you're reading. If you're on a computer, you don't disturb your partner, which is wonderful. That's what it is. You got your side tables. And what I like about this place as well, the colors. The color scheme is pretty cute. The red and white, the brown, the gray. It's nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the washroom. Oh, and here's a mirror. Oops. Yep. Nice big mirror. You get to check yourself before you head out the door. Then you have a washroom, a nice painting, and then they have their little toilet bowl cleaner that's already in some liquid, so it's not dirty and nasty. So that's pretty nice. And then they have a closet. Of course, you have your security
Vault.
bolt, your safe to put whatever it is that you need to put in there. Extra warm blanket, a lot of hangers, and of course on the other side, you have your robe, 2 robes, iron board, and you have your iron at the bottom. Now we're going to move over here. So of course you have your mini bar. You have a little container for your ice cubes, your cups, your coffee station, and then you have Bacardi, Smirnoff, what is that? Whatever. And inside of the fridge, you have some beers. You have 7-Up, you have Pepsi, you have some Canada Dries, Diet Pepsi. You have, I don't know what type of water this is. So that's the mini fridge. This is the bed. Nice king size bed. Very spacious and happy a king size bed. So Happy can sleep on his own side and stuff. Hitting me and beating me up and abusing me when he's sleeping. We had a phone, another side table, nice comfy little couch over here. Red. Honestly, I'm falling in love with red. Like I'm a type of person that likes modern colors as well. The grays, the whites, silvers, but the red accent, beautiful. Have your little table here and workstation over here on this side, which we'll be doing some work. Then, of course, so you have the balcony. So this is where we're staying. When you open the door, the AC turns off, which is pretty good. Once you close it back, it's fine. And this is our view. Alright, so you have your hang-up station over here to lay all your wet stuff, your 2 seats, drinking table, and yeah, so basically guys, this is our place. But to be honest, this wasn't the place that we had in mind. So hubby and I will put more of information about that. But yeah, so guys, it's time to go. I am going to get a little bit of rest because I am exhausted. I haven't slept since last night, so I'm gonna take a nap. So it's time for you guys to go. Anyways, peace out. Make sure you comment, subscribe. Make sure you like it if you like. And yeah, it's time for me to go, guys. But love ya. Peace.
All right, guys. So pretty much it's the situation. I booked for ocean view. I'm seeing partial ocean. I'm seeing mostly garden. And then yes, you could see a partial view of the ocean, but you can't see. It's not like the ocean view that I selected online. That I seen, and the guy's like, yeah, upgrade it to this room and you'll be able to see the ocean. Which is not what I'm getting. So right now, we are in this room on the 4th floor. Was it room 469? But I can't see the ocean like how I wanted to. 40, so 69. And right now, I'm gonna go downstairs and talk to him to figure out like what's going on.
Huh?
Is that the one just for the light?
No, the one on the light is inside already.
I'm so confused with this.
It's still there.
So we took the wrong key and we're locked out of the room now.
It's not the wrong key. It's not the wrong key. The light key is still inside of the room, inside of the fiction.
You said you didn't hit the wrong key, right?
to change that for the tower.
But you said you didn't hit the wrong key, right?
No, I didn't. I didn't take the wrong key. It's not the wrong key.
So, so she said she didn't take the wrong key. She took the key to get towels. She got the wrong key. Thank you. TMZ. So how does it feel? How does it feel?
I didn't take the wrong key. Did you know that there's a towel key? You didn't know that.
Baby, what you just you took the wrong key?
I didn't take the wrong key. It's not the wrong key.
How are we locked out then?
How did you know that there was a towel key? Who has towel keys?
Let's try this again.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so this guy's putting me on blast about not having the right key, but who had the key in their pocket? Huh? Who had the key in their pocket and made us walk all the way downstairs for us to get another key? Now we have 3 keys now.
But I asked you, baby, did you have the keys?
Hush up, don't, no, there's no excuse, shiny face. Okay, there's no excuse, okay? All right.
Alright guys, check me out. See what I'm wearing right now. Dress shoes, black dress pants, got the gold watch, got the gold chain, got the LTD West, you know. So what are you gonna get? What's that? Today is Wednesday morning and it's a